Hello children. Now this new video that I am sharing before you is related to the topic adverbs. Children, we have already covered this topic in our Zoom class. So what is an adverb? An adverb is a word which is used to modify a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Now in this exercise I am going to show you how to identify adverbs. Adverb को कैसे identify करेंगे? So directly come to the first sentence. The first sentence is, wait for a minute. He was ill pleased. Now it shows, the first sentence shows that the person was not pleased. He was ill pleased in fact. He was negatively pleased. सही तरीके से वो pleased नहीं हुआ था. He was not happy. So it shows the manner in which the person was feeling. Second sentence, try again. कितनी बार कोशिश करें? Again you try. तो again is what? It's an adverb of frequency. The number of times the action is repeated. You must keep on repeating the action. So your action must have frequency, multiple frequency. Third sentence, he was shy. But how much? कितना shy था? He was too shy. So it shows the adverb of degree. Now this adverb of degree, children, is also known as an adverb of quantity. We come to the next sentence now, which is sentence number 4. We rose. हम उठ गए, जग गए नींद से. When? Early. तो early is what? Early is an adverb of time. And even how much early? Very early. So it's an adverb of degree, which is also known as an adverb of quantity. So children, we have two adverbs here. First adverb is the prime adverb. जो मुख्य adverb है, it is early. And this adverb early is again modified by another adverb. So very, which is an adverb of degree or adverb of quantity, is also another adverb. Sentence number 5. I am so glad to hear it. I am glad, मैं खुश हुआ. But how much? In what degree you were glad? I was so glad, very glad. So it's an adverb of degree, children, which we also call it an adverb of quantity. Sentence number 6. Cut it. Now it may be what? It may be a piece of paper, piece of cloth. इसको काटो. कैसे काटो? In what manner? Cut it lengthwise. So it's an adverb of manner, children. अपने आप शो हो जाता है. Sentence number 7. Too many cooks spoil the broth. If there are several cooks, they may spoil your work. If there are many experts, if there are many technicians, they may spoil your task, they may spoil your work. So too many, बहुत ज़्यादा. So what is many here? Many means several. It shows the adverb of degree or the adverb of quantity. And many भी कितने? Too many, बहुत ज़्यादा. तो again बेटा is an adverb of degree, quantity. तो too many, बहुत ज़्यादा. तो many and too both indicates what बेटा here? These both of these words indicate the adverb of degree. So many is an adverb, and TOO, which is used just before many, is another adverb. वो another adverb का example है. Next sentence. Are you sure? Are you confirmed? लेकिन ये word दे रखा आगे. Are you quite sure? Are you completely sure? Now several people have misconception about this word quite. Some say that the quite means not completely. But the truth is that the real meaning of this word quite is completely, entirely, पूरी तरह से. If I say that I am quite satisfied with your work, it means that I am completely, entirely satisfied with your work. So it shows the degree. Quite is what? Completely. It shows the degree. It is an adverb of degree, adverb of quantity. Adverb of degree is also known as an adverb of quantity, children. Now this is well said. सही कहा गया है. In a very well manner it was said. तो well is what? Adverb of manner. Automatically beta you will come to know about the type of adverb. If you uh, thoroughly go through a sentence, if you pay attention, you will automatically get the adverb. Now the next sentence, sentence number 10. Once or twice we have met alone. Once or twice, एक या दो बार. Frequency. It's an once and twice in adverb of frequency. We have met. How have you met? We have met alone. अकेले मिले. तो it shows the manner in which you met. Next, sentence number 11. The railway station is far off. Far means it is situated at some distance. कुछ दूरी पर है. So it's an adverb of place, children. Next sentence. Sentence number 12. I have heard this. मैंने सुना है. कब सुना? Before. पहले भी मैंने सुना है. So it's an adverb of time. Next, father is somewhat better. पहले से अच्छे हैं father. He is in a better position. Better means manner here. And better भी कितने हैं? Somewhat. थोड़े से पहले से. So it's an adverb of degree. Or it's an adverb of quantity. So you have two kinds of adverb here. Better, which is the primary adverb, and somewhat. It's another adverb. एक और adverb है. Hope you are getting it, beta. Next, sentence number 14. I am much relieved to hear it. I am much relieved. काफ़ी आराम में हूँ मैं. तो how much you are relieved? How much you are comfortable? I am much relieved. It's an adverb of degree. Also, it's an adverb of quantity. Next sentence. The walk was rather long. हमारी यात्रा कुछ ज़्यादा ही long हो गई. Rather. It's an adverb of degree. Which is also called or known as adverb of quantity, children. Next, the patient is much worse today. Now see how many adverbs are there in this sentence. The patient is much worse. उसकी condition बता रहा है कैसी है, worse है. Now this word worse is just opposite of better. Better you know is an adverb of manner. तो worse is what? पहले से खराब है. तो it's an adverb of manner also. It's also an adverb of manner. Better वो भी क्या बताता है? It's an adverb. Better is an adverb of manner. So also worse. Worse also is an adverb of manner. And worse तो है. The patient is worse. But how much worse he is? So he is very worse. He is much worse. So much is what? Is an adverb of degree, which you also call it as adverb of quantity. And what was the time in which the current position of the patient is being spoken about? It's today. So today is an adverb of time, children. So you see this sentence has three adverbs. Today, which is an adverb of time. Worse, which is an adverb of manner. And much, which is an adverb of degree or quantity. So you see, even a small sentence may have many adverbs in it. She arrived a few minutes ago. वो आई है अभी. कब आई है? A few minutes ago. कुछ समय पहले आई है. तो what is this a few? It's an adverb of degree or adverb of quantity. And ago, थोड़े समय पहले की बात है. It's an adverb of time. Next, ambition. किसी चीज़ की ambition. The ambition is a spirit which urges me forward. Ambition pushes me forward. मुझे आगे की तरफ धकेलती है, encourage करती है किसी काम को करने के लिए. तो forward is what? बताता है तरीका. Not actually तरीका बताता है. It shows the place. It pushes me where? Forward. तो forward is an adverb of place, children. She was dressed all in black. All here means completely, पूरी तरह से. She was draped in a black dress. So she was, wait a minute, I must mark it properly. She was dressed all, पूरा, completely, entirely. So all is an adverb of degree or adverb of quantity. Okay, children, sentence number 20. We were very kindly received. We were welcomed. Received means we were welcomed. In what manner you were welcomed? We were very kindly. Kindly shows the manner in which you were received. And manner bhi kitna? You were kindly, but how much? Very kindly. So very is an adverb of degree, also called an adverb of quantity. Now again here you see, children, there are two adverbs. First is kindly, which is the primary adverb, and very is another adverb. Okay, come to the next sentence. Sentence number 20. Her son is out. उसका बेटा तो बाहर है. Her son is out in Iran. Out is what then? Out is an adverb of place. बाहर है ईरान के अंदर. I surely expect him tomorrow. Surely means you are confirmed. पक्का है पता. There is an adverb of affirmation in which you confirm the action. You are quite sure. So I surely is an adverb of affirmation. To expect him. When do you expect him to see? Tomorrow. So tomorrow is an adverb of time, children. Now the last sentence. Sentence number 23. He could not speak. Not. Ekdam simple. And not indicates what? Negation. So it is an example of adverb of negation. Not is an example of adverb. Which adverb? Adverb of negation. So he could not speak. He was so angry. He was angry. How much he was angry? He was so angry. So it shows degree, quantity. So angry. बहुत ज़्यादा angry था. So children, it now must be clear to all of you that how you have to identify adverbs and also how to classify them. So be prepared with this topic. This is very important from your examination point of view. Then it is all from this video that I have. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye children. Take care of yourself. Thank you.